In this video, we're going to be working on a staircase and their reinforcement. So to start with, this is our 3D, this is our level 2, and we're going to insert a staircase, simple staircase. So we go to architecture, and then you've got the stairs. So we're going to use a one flight staircase. So let's first of all determine the staircase we want to use. So we're going to use a concrete staircase, so it's going to be a monolithic stair. Alright, so base level is going to be level 1, and top level we're going to fix it to level 2. The riser is a bit high, so we're going to increase it to 18. Alright, let's see, 18, yes, it decreases. The thread, we're going to put it to 250. Alright, and this is what we're going to be using. Then you've got the secondary menu that appears here. So we're going to be, if we start as is, it's going to show you in the center, which is here, but we're going to put it on the left so you can see the shift. It's going to be a one flight. Alright, and we just select the green tick. So here we have our staircase. So the staircase appears on the layout, but in the 3D it is not visible. Alright, so no worries about that. We select the stair, and then we need to, we need to go to visibility, graphics, edit. Alright, so in the properties menu, visibility graphics, you click on edit. Then you're going to be in the visibility graphics dialog box. Under model categories, you're going to see some of the boxes are checked. You're going to go and find stair. Alright, stairs. Alright, it is checked here. Alright, so it is supposed to be seen. Alright, in architecture. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make the discipline show hidden by discipline, none. Let's see in 3D if it appears. No. Alright, let's put it here. Discipline, cancel all, apply. Does not appear. Visibility graphics, again let's check if staircase is checked. Yes, here you can see it is not checked. So yes, you have to be in that particular view. Alright, so here we have to check staircase. Now it's going to be seen, visible. As you can see, now it is visible. Alright, okay, so then we're going to take a section. Alright, so we're going to take a section, so it becomes section 7. So we can see, alright, let's get rid of certain section, east, section 6, level 2. So now we just put it like this here, and let's see, section 7 is there. Alright, okay, so let's mirror it. Doesn't matter. Okay. Yes, so this is how the staircase appears. Alright, now we're going to put reinforcement to it. Okay, so again, similar way forward. We're going to select the staircase. First of all, we go to structure, reinforcement, we go to the rebar. Then here we just need to duplicate and rename this one as stair cover. You want to keep it 30 millimeters, that's fine. Okay, then we come to our section and we go to properties. Under properties, in the structural component under rebar, you change it to, I think we got stair, yes, stair cover 30, apply, so then it's okay. Then we apply our rebar. Okay, so we can have a straight bar put in place. Alright, so we need to know about the placement, work plane. This one need to be parallel, so now we have our reinforcement in place. Alright, and we need to place the transverse reinforcement, so placement in the first one, current work plane, the second one, perpendicular. Alright, so then we select our reinforcement. Okay, cancel. So now we've got one bar, because when we click on the single bar, it is single bar. We change the reinforcement to, let's say, T8. Now if you want to move to T10, you can. Alright, then you put the spacing, maximum spacing as per your design, let's say 150. Okay, so that is there. Then we select the transverse reinforcement. Alright, so before we proceed further, let's constrain it. So we're going to constrain it to no constraint. Okay, so this one we're going to move it to, let's say we're going to move it here. Alright, and then we just change to maximum spacing and okay. Alright. Okay, we need to get rid of this one first, so let's remove this one. Now the reinforcement is going to be different. Rebar, yes. Excuse me. We need to have about 21. Okay, it's going to be in this direction. All right. Okay, we've already put the orientation. That's good. Now we need to constrain it. Okay. All right. Let's say minus 8. Okay. Alright, minus 10. Okay, we go to minus 16. Oh. Minus 14. Alright, now it's good. This is okay. We can we can already adjust the bar. Let's say this one is supposed to be 90. Alright, so this one also is supposed to be 90. Apply, and then we set the maximum spacing to 200. That's it. So our bar is there. Now we need to fine-tune certain bars, like this one. You need to drag it in, and then we need to edit. Alright, so we need to put a leg. Sorry. we need to put a leg here, so it's going to be, let's say, 300. Okay, so once we're done, it's okay. Now we need to constrain it. Same thing, we constrain to this one, or we move it down to here. All right, good. So this is our bar, and then this one we need to drag it on. Sorry, okay, let's bring it there, and then we adjust the rebars. This one should be 90, and this one should be 90. Apply. So this is what it's supposed to be. Okay, now might be I did something wrong. Oh, it's okay, let it be like this. And then if you need to have top reinforcement, then you have to select the stairs, rebars, but this time you have to do the placement using free sketch. Select the stairs, and then you can work out the top reinforcement, like for example here to here. All right, I don't have any slab, but this is how we're going to do it. Once it's done, you can look for all right, so this one you can move it out. Probably this should be shorter. Let's say this should be 50. All right, this one should be 50. Apply. All right, makes sense. And then we need to have another bar on the other side, so top. So again, we select this one, rebar. Since here we know what type of bar we want, so we can easily add it. All right, so you have to press the space bar to ensure that you've got the required bar. Okay, so this is one way. Okay, now we have to play with the size. Okay, and then spacing, you can place maximum. All right, and this one, well, you have to put a fixed number, probably fixed number. Oh, let's put single. Okay, where is it? There it is. Okay, so here it's a small piece, so we can move the reinforcement to the location we would like to. All right, and then we can make copies. All right, according to this one, 200. Again, 200. All right, so all right, sometimes we can use the automated one. Sometimes we have to copy, move accordingly. All right, So again, the reinforcement here is single, maximum spacing. Let's say this one is supposed to be 150, so here it is. Alright, so you do the same as required and where required. For example, one last thing, we're going to add, so I click on this one, rebar. I'm going to use one that I'm going to sketch. Alright, so this is the section I'm going to use the rebar in. So let's say I'm going to start there, I'm going to come here. Alright, and then it goes straight. Okay, this is the bar. Okay, cancel. So this is the bar I'm using, so I need to ensure that the dimension is okay. Let's say this is supposed to be 1500. Oops, this one goes up. Sorry. Alright, so I'll move it until 1500. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, you can move it in the direction you want. Okay, so you have to be careful. So this bar is not automated, you are actually placing it. Alright, and if you need to intervene on it, no problem, you can still get rid of whatever portion is not required, and then you can probably stretch it down to here, and then once at the bottom, then you can make your horizontal bar, let's say 300, and once done, it's done. Alright, here it is. Okay, so and then you have to place your distribution bars and so on. Alright, so this is all with respect to the staircase. Okay, now if you need to have rebars in the steps, again you select the staircase, use the rebar icon. Now again we're going to sketch one, so we come to placement, then we go for sketch. Alright, and then we select this. Alright, and we're going to, let's say, use something which is like this, whatever form you need to have. Alright, okay, so might be it goes like this, let's say 200. Okay, and on the other side, let's say it should go like this, and then goes up by 200, and once it's done, it's done. Alright, okay, card convert. Alright, I think I've done a lot of lines, so let me see what we do. Alright, let's do one by one. Let me get rid of this one and see if it works. No. Continue. This one. Delete. No. This one. Delete. Alright, let's do it again. This one we select rebar, and I'm going to place a reinforcement by sketch. So I'm going to put it here. So I'm going to use this one. Alright, it works. Alright, and then again, reinforce this bar. I'm going to use edit sketch. Probably I just need to add something here. see if it works. Yes. Edit sketch again. I need to add, let's see, now I need it to be like this. Okay, so this is done. Alright, so this is my bar, which I'm editing it one by one. Maximum number, let's say it's supposed to be 200, and it is done. Then I need to put in a reinforcement, a horizontal bar 0, 0, and the bar is going to be here, one only. That's it. Alright, so this is done. Now once this is done, I can still copy. Alright, copy multiple. So here, 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 I'm going like this. Alright, so I just copy. If this is what is required. Alright, so if I go to my 3D, now I can see my stairs with my reinforcement. Alright, now, yeah, it's better you leave it on wireframe. Alright, you've got an idea of how that all the reinforcement have been put in place. Okay, consistent colors. Okay, no, it's better you leave it on wireframe. So that's all on staircase.